Hi dear friends, how are you? This is Tariqul Islam comes again with a new episode of my continuous parenting series. You know that in parenting series I am discussing different issues related with parenting, and you also know that I have completed part 8 on my last episode, and today I will start a new part, that is part 9, where I will discuss about the marital stage of your child. And today is the first episode of part 9. Today I will discuss about the perfect time of marriage of your child. As a guardian, it is your responsibility and your duty to arrange everything for their marriage when they are adult and they are matured enough to take responsibility of marital life. So as a guardian, you have to know about the perfect time of marriage and your techniques, what should be your approach on that time. So today I will discussing about this issue, and I will discuss on future episodes about the other aspects of marriage of your child. It is actually relative that what is the perfect time, because anybody may think about it or conclude about it from different angles. So it has no abstract conclusion that what is the perfect time for marriage. But my assumption or my thinking about this issue is when they are quite matured to take responsibility and capable to lead his financial side of a family. On that time you should arrange it, because many times we think that they should have some time after starting their career. They need some time to be adjusted, to be prepared for marriage. But the reality is preparation actually has no ending. You whenever think about it, you will think that you need some more time for preparation, and one day you will find after 10 years of your profession or 5 years of your profession, you will find that you are not still now enough prepared for that. So you should not think about taking time for preparation, because it is a continuous process. That your career will be developed gradually and your expense will increase gradually. So if you think that whenever my income level will be upward than my expense and there would be a quite enough margin, on that time I will forward or my son will be forwarded, it is actually wrong concept. So you should avoid such type of thinking. You should consider the factors like either they are quite mature to be engaged in a marital life, or they are quite capable for bearing the basic needs or basic expenses of a family. On that time you should proceed. Because we find from different researches that who are early married or engaged on marital life at their early stage of career, they becomes relieved from a lot of pain, like they can share many things with their spouse, and they have a relaxation comfort zone. Whenever they on the home, they have some comfort zone. They have not take any tension about their future life, because they have already in a family. So it gives some relief them, and it boosts their speed in their professional life, and the happiness. If we consider in terms of happiness, it is proved that the unmarried person is a leg behind than the marital person in this term. So I have mentioned on my last 10 episode about the professional life, when they start professional life or your child, about that things, and we know that from that discussion they have to bear a lot of problems, a lot of mental pressures. So if they have some mental support from family or from their spouse, their wife, it become quite helpful, quite beneficial for them to overcome such type of difficulties in professional life or others life. So it like a support from them. That's why it is called better half or better part of life. the spouse are termed as such a term. So I think you get some idea about the conditions when you will proceed about this. And actually I am not mentioning any age, because anybody can be prepared in 25, anybody can be prepared in 30. It depends upon different persons. So I will not mention a certain age. I will just giving you some idea or some condition. Whenever they will fulfill such condition, you have to proceed for the betterment of your family and for their life as well as their career. Thank you very much for watching my video. I am welcoming you to watch my other videos that I will proceed in future, and stay connected with me and subscribe my channel. Bye.